Hi guys, let's learn how to use temperature data logger in 4 minutes. Automatic and manual. Run off the AC right now. I'm gonna check the temperature around here. So first, after I connect this one, so the humidity sensor and the temperature sensor is going to be here, and let's turn this on. Alright, okay, it detects 23.1 and now it goes down to 22.9, 22.4. so you can take the measurement for like every 1 second if you want, every 10 seconds. You can also bring this probe closer to the area of interest or anywhere that you want. So right, that's it. I'm now here at the clean room area. This is the area that I wanted actually to measure the amount of the temperature here, because I need a standard room temperature measurement. So now inside this clean room area, as you can see, this is a very closed area, right? This is where I take my measurement for my sensor, and I put it here, and it says here it's 25 degrees Celsius. And if the measurement is constant, then I think it's good. 25 degrees Celsius is a standard room temperature measurement. One thing about this humidity and temperature meter, it cannot collect that. You have to take the data manually. For like instance, 1 second ago is 25.0 and the next second is 25.1. So you have to put the data for like, if you want the data in the 10 seconds range, you have to put the data like 25.0, 25.1. Another one is the data logger. This one is not mine, of course. I borrowed it from Dr. Zurazman. It's almost 30, 29, it's almost 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now here is the data, right? The data that 1 hour ago. Okay, and then I'm gonna upload. Alright, I'm gonna download this one. So let's download the data here. Right. So this is all the data that I have. So if you can see here, this is the graph of the temperature, and then this is the graph of the dew point, and this is the graph of the humidity versus time taken. Right, that's it. And this data logger, you can measure the temperature and humidity for a maximum of 8 hours. So this is it, and then you can save the data and write your paper or thesis with it. All right.